Welcome, my name is Thomas LEDFORD, and I'd like to talk about in this video my tax preparation guide to successful tax service. This guide is for my ideal client, which is a person that's new to getting started with their own tax business, and they need guidance and direction, insight, and understanding on what they're doing because number one, they're new, and with anything that's new, we have a learning curve that we must get past. And in this industry, when you're dealing with people's money, your learning curve is very small when it comes to making mistakes concerning people's money. And you don't want to be on the other end of that situation where you've made a mistake with someone's money and now you cost them more money in the process of that. And now you're liable for that and you have to make that right. And there's a good chance, even if you make it right, you lost them as a customer and a client because you didn't have no one you could go to, you can get the guidance you needed to help you with a tax situation that you had no clue about because number one, you were new to this industry. So my tax preparation and mentorship and coaching program is designed and specialized in helping new people getting started and building a foundation that's going to help them to fast track their business, help them to grow their business, help them to expand their business based on the fact that I've been there and done that in this industry for the last 19 years, the last 13 as a business owner. So if you want to capitalize on what I've done and where I've been and what I've already accomplished inside the tax preparation industry, then this guide is the blueprint that's going to walk you through what that looks like. And it's going to give you access to me on a much cheaper level than you joining my mentorship and coaching program, especially if you don't have the finances to even make that beginning when it comes to investing in you for our mentorship and coaching. So this guide is the cheapest method you can use to get access to me that's going to help you fast track your business when it comes to getting started, when it comes to help you set up the front end as well as the back end, when it comes to helping you eventually see the big picture of being able to one day have a business that's going to operate and flow and make money without you even being there. That's the goal you want to get to when it comes to having your own business in general, regardless of what it is. And so when it comes to being in this industry, I specialize in helping new people get started. And I work with people who already got their EFIN number and their business account and all that stuff set up. And the problem is they still new, so they still need my guidance. They still need my insight. They still need my help. They still need the solution that I bring to the table when it comes to helping new entrepreneurs in the tax business get started. And so that's what I helped you to get done. And this guide gives you the cheapest way to get to me to get that access. This guide right now is $27. You can go to my website, you purchase the guide, and it has 4 bonuses that's going to help me to help you fast track your business success in getting started. You know, you got people who want to wait until they get to a certain place in life to come reach for my help. That's the wrong approach. You want to get with me now based on wherever you are in your journey concerning your business and let me help you fast track your success. So if you're studying for your enroll agent exam, if you're studying for your CPA exam, if you're studying for whatever exam you need that's going to give you more credentials to go with what you're doing concerning your business in this industry, don't wait to get those things done before you get with me. Because see, the stuff I'm going to allow you to get from me, going to allow you to fast track your success. So whenever you get your license or your certification inside this tax preparation industry, then you're ahead of the game because you've already taken action steps inside your business that's going to help you start, build, and grow and expand your business based on what I have to offer, what I bring to the table, the mindset. How to prepare different type of returns that you're new to, that you haven't even done yet. Real world solutions to issues that you're going to run across that you haven't even faced yet. You know, so I'm your tour guide. It will help you to get your business up and running and help you to fast track your success compared to someone who don't have a coach, don't have a mentor. You know what I'm saying? So that's the solution I bring to you, this industry and working with you. And this guide is the door that I use to get access to people who need my help. So for $27, you get a guide that's going to give you the fundamental workflow on what we're going to go through to help you get started, along with my real world solutions to things that you're going to run into that you don't even have a clue that you're going to run into because you've never been there and done it. So if you're ready to get started and you're not ready to get started, but you're ready to get started, no matter where you're at in your journey, you need to reach out to me now. Purchase this guide. Get the bonuses that come with the guide that's going to help me to help you fast track your success. So if you're studying for your enroll agent license, if you're studying to get your CPA exam certification under your belt, or you're studying to get whatever certification you're going to get to use to help you to give you more credibility with your business, you need to get with me now. Don't wait till you get that, because now you're behind the game instead of in front of the game. Because see, I got people working with me now who are ahead of you, who ain't even trying to even go get no certification at all. Because see, it ain't about certification. You know, it helps. It can play a role. It can be a personal accomplishment to make you feel good about you being in this industry and having a business that's inside the tax preparation industry. But that piece of paper means nothing if you ain't going to take action on what I got to show you and teach you right now. You know what I'm saying? So if you're looking to get started, and you know you're looking to get started, don't wait till you finish getting your license to be an enrolled agent. Don't wait till you take the 4-part CPA exam to become a certified public accountant. Don't wait till you go to income tax school and get a certification to be certified to do this before you get with me. Get with me now. So while you're doing those things and working with me, you'll be ahead of the game compared to your competitors or people that's in the same industry looking to do the same thing you're looking to do. Because when 2021 get here, you'll be already ready, because you work with someone who's going to prepare you to be ready for success when it comes to starting your tax business out the gate. You're going to be much stronger, much better than working by yourself, trying to figure this out by yourself. You know what I'm saying? So that's the value, that's the solution I bring. You get access to me in 3 ways. You can purchase my mentorship and coaching program, which is much more expensive route, but hey, it's worth it. And what I got to give and what I bring to this industry is worth it. Number 2, you can pay for my consulting and mentorship program, which is the second cheapest way. The third way is my Drake tax software course that's coming out this month. And the fourth way is this tax guide, which is $27, which is going to give you access to me that's going to allow you to fast track your business. So when 2021 comes, your business is ready, it's up and running, and I've already gave you actionable steps to take each and every day inside your business that's going to allow you to be ahead of the game with people who plan on doing the same thing you plan on doing. But the big difference is you got started already. You didn't wait till 2021. You didn't wait till you got your license or your certification. You took this message and you jumped on top of it and marinated and realized that, hey, what I'm waiting for. Because time waits for no one. Time is money. And if you ain't ready to handle your business when the time comes, that's going to cost you. You know what I'm saying? The reason I'm so successful because I'm prepared to do business with clients no matter where they're at in their journey. You know what I'm saying? As a business owner, I got to be prepared to do business with clients no matter where they're at in their journey. I got clients who maybe need 2 years worth of taxes done or 22 years worth of taxes done. The thing is, I can handle it because I got the software to cover 2 years or 22 years. The average person who do what I do don't have access to software to do 2 years or 22 years, especially if they're working for a firm, especially if they're working for a company, especially if they're bootlegging it and working from home. They ain't got no pizza, they ain't got no EFA number. They call themselves being nickel slick, and they working under the grid, doing taxes from home where they ain't even signing your paperwork, and they get paid, and they're making all this money thinking they getting over when they really getting under. Because the only person you out slick is yourself in the long run. It's just a big picture to life. And if you can't see the big picture up front, then when it's all said and done, and you 50 and 60 and 70 years old, and your life ain't changed at all because you've been so nickel slicked all your life, that you outslicked yourself to the point now that if Social Security is even still around, what little you going to get is going to be a joke when it comes to helping you survive and live with your daily living expenses because you didn't prepare for life. You were so slick that you didn't even prepare for life to the point where you did all you're going to do when it comes to living for the moment. You live for right now. You didn't plan for the future. You didn't have a future to plan for because your mindset was so corrupt and mangled that you couldn't see the future and even plan for it. You know what I'm saying? So this tax guide is just a guide that's going to give you some basic information that's going to show you what our journey is going to look like. But the missing piece to the guide is my real world experience, knowledge, and insight on how to make the guide work. And that's what you get that's going to help fast track your success. So for $27, you get access to me that's going to make this guide come to life, that's going to be able to help you fast track your success, that's going to be able to help you make some money right now based on what skill sets and knowledge you may already have in the tax preparation industry, that I can show you the leverage that's going to help you monetize your business, to help you make some money before 2021 even get here. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I bring to the table, is a solution based on what you're working with that's going to help you to make money right now if you're ready to get busy. So I've been in this industry again for 19 years, 13 as a business owner, and I specialize in helping people get started with their own tax business from scratch. And if you already got your EFIN and your business set up and you're new to this industry, and there's a whole lot of things you haven't even learned yet as far as tax preparation and the different type of returns you're going to run into and the different type of situations you're going to run into, then you need someone who's going to guide you through that process, guide you through the minefields, so you won't get hurt financially or emotionally or physically when it comes to operating your business in this industry. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notification. So every time I go live or upload a video, you'll be notified. And so I'm here to be your tour guide. I'm here to guide you through helping you to have a profitable, long-term, successful business, because I've been there and done that. And so, ready or not, reach out to me, buy the guide, utilize my 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner, with real-world situations and training and insight that you don't have a clue about, that you're going to be able to utilize inside your business, that's going to make you look like a pro to the people that you're going to be doing business with. And I'll see you in my next video.